Hey, it's Amusement Archive. We're gonna go take a look at the Dinosaur Explorer exhibit. Let's take a closer look. Got us a Triceratops here. We got the Parasaurolophus, Mr. Dangly Arms, and Waggy Tail. And then we got, is this one of those like raptors? How they figured out they have feathers and stuff. Pretty cool. Check him out. He's got dangly arms too.
Where they put feathers on dinosaurs. Well, yeah, a lot of dinosaurs.
Ah.
Presidency. Wait, there's an Xbox.
Right, you see the dino head? Yeah.
Look, the Lost World poster.
Jackson, there's an Xbox. Jackson,
We got Jurassic Park, Lost World. We actually watched that last night in the hotel room. Ooh, look, the amber staff with the
he was in
mosquito in it.
No, I think it's showing
Pretty awesome. 1990s Dino Mania. Pretty cool. This bamboo cane was actually used in the Lost World. That's pretty awesome. And then here's a dinosaur footprint mold from Jurassic Park and footprint sandals from Jurassic Park. The movie's pretty awesome. Look at the little dino eggs.
This is something cool that you'll like to do.
We're in the creative zone here. Wyatt's coloring up a dinosaur. Gonna put it up on the screen soon. Gonna see the dino drop the egg.
right there.
There he is. Way back there.
Right here.
Wyatt's dinosaur is walking through the water back there. That's pretty cool. This guy's got some googly eyes here. What the? We just had a dinosaur walk by us. Let me pet him. Oh, he doesn't want me to pet him. He's gonna bite my hand. He's scared of me. Now he's walking off. Got some more baby dinos here. Oh my gosh, Jackson almost got eaten. Here's the Hadrosaur. The Dilophosaurus. This is the spitter from Jurassic Park.
Here's a green though.
Where's his wing flaps on his head? Was that just for the movie?
Early during its discovery, scientists speculated that it possessed poison glands within gaps observed between its teeth. However, the presence of such glands is now considered highly unlikely.
Oh man, it's unlike. You mean Jurassic Park's not real? I thought it was history. You can make your own map.
Wait, look! There's dinosaurs on it. Look,
Feels like kitty litter.
there's dinosaurs on it. Look.
Got the Heterodontosaurus. That guy's very colorful. We're continuing the dinosaur exhibit in the 3rd floor. Got the Trudon. This looks like the Pyroraptor from Dominion, Jurassic World Dominion. Got the Stegosaurus here. Check out this Nanooksaurus, polar bear lizard. I don't think I've ever seen this thing before. That is pretty dang awesome. So cool. Polar bear lizard. We got the Pachyrhinosaurus. Oh, he's freaking out. He's freaking out. What is that? Oh, it's another Pyroraptor looking thing. This one don't look as raptory as the other one. Sounds like a squeaky wheel or something. Got the Velociraptor. He's very regal looking, Velociraptor. We got the Ankylosaurus fused lizard. White's about to kiss the dinosaur. Little does he know it's about to chomp on his face, maybe. We got the Tyrannosaurus. Dinosaur names are so easy to say. And we're coming up on the Velociraptor. All these look like the Pyroraptor and Jurassic World Dominion.
It doesn't actually have eyes, it's just a camera. It's just a...
That's a Velociraptor.
Wait, what?
Because they're telling you the Velociraptor in Jurassic Park and Jurassic Park 2 were all lies.
And Jurassic World.
Thanks for taking a trip with Amusement Archive at the Dinosaur Explorer exhibit at the William J. Clinton Presidential Library. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.